What if I told you that one of Europe's most dramatic urban transformations isn't happening in Paris, London, or Berlin, but in a city most people used to overlook entirely? A city once defined by smoke, factories, and decline, now becoming one of the most ambitious redevelopment projects in Europe. This is Łódź, Poland's forgotten industrial giant. And what's happening here is not just renovation, it's a full-scale rebirth of an entire city. Welcome back to the Polish Blueprint. Today we're going inside the multi-billion-dollar transformation of Łódź, a city that collapsed after the fall of its textile empire, and is now rising again through one of the largest urban revitalization programs in Central Europe. And the most interesting part? This isn't just about new buildings, it's about rewriting the identity of an entire city. Let's break it down. To understand the revival, we need to understand the collapse. For over a century, Łódź was the beating heart of Poland's textile industry. Massive factories dominated the skyline. Thousands of workers filled the streets. Wealth flowed through production lines that ran day and night. But after the political and economic shift of the 1990s, the system that supported Łódź's industry disappeared almost overnight. Factories shut down, jobs vanished, entire districts were left behind. And the city that once symbolized industrial power became a landscape of empty brick buildings and shrinking population. By the early 2000s, large parts of central Łódź felt frozen in time. Not historic in a romantic way, but abandoned. And that's where the turning point begins. Instead of demolishing its past, Łódź made a different decision. It would rebuild through its history, not erase it. The city launched one of the most ambitious redevelopment strategies in Poland, the revitalization of the city center, anchored by the new center of Lodz. This wasn't a single project. It was a coordinated transformation of railways, factories, streets, and neighborhoods, all at the same time. The goal was simple but massive: turn a declining industrial core into a modern European city center, and attract back what had been lost: people, business, culture, and investment. At the center of this change stands one of the most important infrastructure projects in Poland, Łódź Fabryczna station. Once outdated and underused, it was completely rebuilt into a modern underground transport hub. But this wasn't just about trains. Above it, an entirely new district began to emerge. Offices, public spaces, cultural buildings, and connections to the rest of the city designed from scratch. Just a short distance away, another landmark was reborn: EC1, a former power station transformed into a science, culture, and education center. Where machines once powered industry, now ideas power innovation. These projects became symbols of a new Łódź, a city that doesn't hide its industrial past, but repurposes it. One of the most fascinating parts of Łódź's transformation is how it treats its old factories. Instead of demolition, many of these massive brick structures have been given a second life. Take Manufaktura, once a textile empire, now a vibrant mix of shopping, restaurants, museums, and open public space. Or Fuzja, where a historic industrial complex is being turned into a modern neighborhood combining housing, offices, and green courtyards. Even entire working-class districts like Księży Młyn are being carefully restored, not redesigned, but preserved and revived. This is where Łódź becomes different from many European redevelopment stories. It doesn't try to look futuristic, it tries to look continuous, a city where past and future exist in the same frame. Behind the visible transformation is something even larger: money, planning, and long-term strategy. We are talking about billions of zloty flowing into infrastructure, housing, cultural restoration, and public spaces. But more importantly, decades of planning. This is not a quick redevelopment cycle. It's a generational project, and it's still ongoing. New residential districts, new office zones, new transport links, and continuous renovation of historic buildings across the city center. Łódź is being rebuilt piece by piece, block by block, but every transformation comes with tension, as property values rise, as districts become more attractive. Questions begin to emerge. Who benefits most from this revival? And can a city modernize without losing the communities that made it what it is? Łódź is still searching for that balance. And that makes its story even more real. Because this isn't a finished success story. It's a work in progress. Łódź is no longer the industrial giant it once was. But it's also no longer the forgotten city it became. It is something in between. A city rebuilding its identity in real time. And one of the most important urban transformations happening in Europe today. If you want more deep dives into Poland's biggest transformations, subscribe to The Polish Blueprint, because this story is still being written.